What are the main shocks affecting the Trump economy after 18 months? The surprising twists and unexpected challenges reveal how fragile growth really was. One of the biggest shocks to the Trump economy was the escalating trade war with China. Tariffs raised costs for American businesses and consumers, disrupting supply chains and slowing manufacturing output. While aimed at boosting domestic production, these tariffs created uncertainty that held back investment. The conflict also affected global markets, rippling through industries from agriculture to tech. This trade friction set a challenging backdrop for economic growth even before the pandemic struck. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic, an unprecedented shock that halted economic activity almost overnight. Lockdowns and health concerns forced businesses to close, leading to historic job losses and a sharp recession in 2020. The government responded with trillions in stimulus to support households and companies, but uncertainty remained high. This crisis exposed vulnerabilities in the economy, especially in service sectors like travel and hospitality, reshaping the economic landscape dramatically. After initial recovery efforts, the economy faced rising inflation driven by supply chain bottlenecks and surging demand. Shortages of materials and shipping delays pushed prices higher across many goods. This inflation squeezed household budgets and prompted the Federal Reserve to consider tightening monetary policy. The combination of supply challenges and inflation added new pressures just as the economy was trying to regain normal footing. A notable shock came from the labor market as many workers left or shifted jobs during the pandemic. Labor shortages emerged in key industries, pushing wages up but also slowing some business operations. Remote work and changing employee expectations added complexity for employers. These labor market shifts challenged the economy's ability to return to pre-pandemic growth and created new uncertainties for future policy decisions. The Trump economy after 18 months faced shocks that reshaped growth from trade wars to a global pandemic and inflation pressures. These events exposed vulnerabilities and tested resilience in ways few expected. Stay curious to understand how these forces continue shaping the future. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.